Let's fill out a Florida prenuptial agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is Florida's prenuptial agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything Florida asks of it. This is a contract between two people planning to marry, made ahead of the marriage and effective when it happens. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. Signing does not switch it on. It takes effect when the marriage happens. If the marriage turns out to be void, the agreement holds only as far as needed to avoid an unfair result. The clock on any claim under the agreement is paused while the couple stays married. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Neither person owes the other any payment or promise for this to hold. The marriage itself is the exchange. Each person has to sign it of their own free will. An agreement someone did not sign voluntarily does not hold against them. It does not hold if it came out of fraud, duress, coercion, or overreaching. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is a Florida agreement, so both blanks say Florida. The couple can pick which law governs the agreement. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. It can set each person's rights in any property, no matter when they got it. It can cover the right to buy, sell, use, and manage property. It can set how property is divided on separation, divorce, or death. State law sets how each person discloses what they own and owe, and what happens to the agreement if they do not. That disclosure can be waived only if the person does it voluntarily and expressly, in writing. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. It can change or drop spousal support. It can require a will or a trust to carry out what the couple agreed. It can say who owns a life insurance policy and who gets the death benefit. Anything else can go in too, as long as it does not break public policy or a criminal law. A support waiver cannot leave someone on public assistance. A court can order support to the extent needed to avoid that. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. Both people have to sign it, so neither page stands alone. Nothing in here shortchanges a child's right to support. After the wedding, changing or canceling it takes another written agreement, signed by both. The court decides whether the agreement is unconscionable, and it decides it as a question of law. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal. No sign-up required.